Right, so we are at Giordano's having a 6-inch deep crust pizza. That's how bad the pizza was. We couldn't even finish a 6-inch, the smallest pizza I've ever had in my life. Listen, I'm the first to get my burgers medium or medium rare in the US. But that is just raw mince. Like, it's not even cooked, it's not even warm. I'm not eating that. Look, it's like slop, it's not even cooked. Sort it out, Marky lads. Might get us arrested, might get us kicked out the country. But this is what he wanted, and this is what he'll get. I'm going to show you exactly, we didn't want to get it on camera. I'm going to show you exactly where we scattered my dad's ashes. And this is the view that we had when we scattered them. So we're now at the Welcome to Las Vegas sign, which is just there. You've got the Harley Davidson garage just over there. Now what we're going to do is recreate that image of my dad. I don't know if you can see that. We're going to recreate that image of my dad's. Thumb up with one hand because he's got a drink in it, and the other one he's doing a peace, victory sign. And then the rest of his ashes that we've got, not what my mum's got, but the ones we brought over here. Some are in the Bellagio fountain, and some are going to be there because that's what Dad wanted, and it's all for you, Dad. Love you. Might get us arrested, might get us kicked out the country, but this is what he wanted, and this is what he'll get. So we didn't queue up when we came. You could queue up and get a perfect picture right in the middle, or you can just take one from the side, no queues, without getting anyone else in, and that's what we're going to do. And Mum, this is for you, Dad. Love you. We've got Mum on the phone now. Hard this scattering ashes, but this is what Dad wanted. Love you, Dad.
Both inside and outside the BBC, there are allegations that this man, Wally Kim, former Tory spin doctor, is known as
Love you, Dad. Love you. Listen, I'm the first to get my burgers medium or medium rare in the US, but that is just raw mince. Like, it's not even cooked, it's not even warm. I'm only joking, I'm not eating that. Look, it's like slop, it's not even cooked. Sort it out, Marky lads. We're here at Wahlburgers, which is Mark Wahlberg and his family. Rochelle absolutely loves it. There he is right there, in case you don't know who he is. So we've just ordered 3 sliders, which on the picture of the menu look tall. Here they come on the plate separate. And we did order some sweet potato tots, which are like little mini potatoes, crispy, crunchy. And they've served us sweet potato fries. When we asked why, they said, oh, there's no more potato tots. But you should have really told us that before you brought them to the table. The root beer is $5.95. We're here at Mark Wahlberg's Wahlburger in Las Vegas. This is the Sliders Flight, a classic meatball in a bun with sauce. Then we've got a barbecue bacon with cheddar, bacon, jalapenos and barbecue sauce with avocado spread. And then we've got a crispy chicken with bacon, tomato, lettuce and chipotle mayonnaise. So anyway, them 3 sliders there was $14.95. These, which are meant to be tater tots, are $5.95. Let's dig in and see what they're like here at Wahlburgers in Vegas. Big meatball, nice slab of cheese, some onions on there as well maybe. No, it's just extra cheese, there's more cheese in different bits. That is a good mini slider. Right, the next one there, look at that crispy bacon, I absolutely love that. This is the bacon, cheese, barbecue. Let's dig in. Love the bacon. Brioche bun gives it a sweetness. The bacon's a star of the dish there. The avocado spread is absolutely pointless. Get it off my burger. Now on this little slider, it is just like one little crispy fillet. I'm going to take the fresh tomato out. Now this one's a little bit dry. The root beer isn't great. I'm going to go with a 6 out of 10. Sorry, Mark. You know, my missus would leave me for you.
Yeah.
But not your burgers. 6 out of 10. So we're going to share this. Then we're going to go and get some more food. We're going to share that. And then we're going to get some more food. Because we're in Vegas. This is Dad Loves Food. But also Rochelle loves food. Listen, I'm the first to get my burgers medium or medium rare in the US. But that is just raw mince. Like, it's not even cooked, it's not even warm. I'm only joking, I'm not eating that. Look, it's like slop, it's not even cooked. You know what? It's it's gone down to 5 out of 10. Sorted out, Marky lads. And this is inside the restaurant after they deducted $2.99, 20% of just the burger price, because the burger was actually raw. Once you got it in the middle of it, yeah, it didn't look great. And I'm sure the owners would be disgusted with that kind of management. If that was me, I'd have wiped the whole burger off, or I would have just brought a new burger out, not wiped 20% of the burger price off. To 5 out of 10, not 6. 6 was when it was cooked. 5 now it's not cooked. This is Wahlburgers in Vegas. Absolutely gutted because we love Mark Wahlberg. So now we're gonna go and get a deep dish pizza. It's only a 6-inch, which is very small. You all know what a 7-inch is in the UK. It's an inch smaller. And what is it called, the place? Giordanos? How do you pronounce that? I have no idea how to pronounce that, by the way. So if you go with a stuffed deep dish, 10-inch, 32. If you go with a more margarita, $29.95, so still $30. Or margarita there, $27.65. Double pepperoni, $29.95, and there for a 10-inch. And you can get a 6-inch with a beer for, I think it was like $19.95, something like that.
Thank you.
Thank you very much. That was a bit weird, wasn't it? Like, not margarita, but if you got pepperoni sausage, it was cheaper than just getting a plain margarita.
I'm going to sit inside there.
So, where can we sit?
Upstairs.
Oh yeah. We don't even know what it's called. Giordanos? Yeah, we were stood there for maybe 15 minutes and that was in the hold the whole time. It wasn't cooked fresh. We did get a Bud Light and in total it was $19.50, which isn't that bad. But you wanted to charge us more for a margarita. I'm not really sure how that works. Now the place, this is the name of it. I don't know how to spell it. I don't know how to pronounce it. Giordanos. World famous pizza. Never heard of it, but it does look good on the pictures. Let's open it up. Bosh. Is that even 6-inch? And is that one piece of pepperoni?
Yeah.
So she asked, what do we want? We asked for margarita. She went, margarita is not on the list. But if you get pepperoni, you get one slice of pepperoni. One piece of pepperoni. Fantastic. Right, so we are at Giordano's having a 6-inch deep crust pizza. It's been pre-sliced, which that's okay. Ah, there we go, right. The thing I like about a deep dish is it's packed with cheese, the tomato base is on top, and the pepperoni on this one is underneath. Because it's been sat there a while, there's no cheese pull to it. It's almost like a block of cheese before they put the tomato base on. The tomato base isn't great either. There's no big flavours kicking through. The pepperoni on top has been grilled. The pepperoni underneath hasn't. I'll be honest, world famous. It's not, probably not even famous in Vegas. I'd be hard to score it. I think the pepperoni's in my nose. I'd be hard to score that more than a 3 out of 10. And they're getting most of that because it comes with a Bud Light. Under $20, it's cheap. It's not cheerful. It's not great. It's not tasty. The sauce isn't great. There's no real tomato flavour, there's no real garlic or anything. Save your money, 3 out of 10. Giordano's in Vegas. I hate doing reviews like that. You know, I want it to be banging, I want everything to taste good. Sometimes it doesn't. That's how bad the pizza was. We couldn't even finish a 6-inch, the smallest pizza I've ever had in my life. We couldn't finish it between us. Rochelle's still nibbling now. The crust, I'd say, was the best part. The tomato lacked in flavour. And the cheese was solid because it wasn't cooked fresh, it was just sat there. You know what, I said 3 out of 10, and that's because you got a Bud Light for $20 with a pizza. Yeah, it's not great. I'm going to show you exactly, we didn't want to get it on camera, I'm going to show you exactly where we scattered my dad's ashes, and this is the view that we had when we scattered them. Beautiful view. Fountains are there in the middle. You've got the wheel over there. You've got the Eiffel Tower, the Paris hot air balloon there, Planet Hollywood, and just behind us is the Bellagio Hotel. And we scattered them roughly here, right here. This is the location. So if you do come, right here, we should have put a Graham Vegas thing. Right here is where we scattered some of Dad's ashes. Exactly what he wanted. Love you, Dad.